Hey there, this is problem number 4 on the homework. And so I'm going to give you some tips on how to figure this one out. So Jackie owes Katie $60 and pays $35 towards her debt. What percent of the debt has she paid? So we're going to start off with our little chart. So we've got, this is talking about, the numbers are labeled in percent because that's what they're being asked for, and dollars because that's the label that's on the 60 and the 35. And then you can see that it talks about what she owes and what she pays. So there's what she pays, and then total owed is what I'm going to put down there. And the total owed is going to be your 100%. And then you've got the total debt that needs to be paid is the $60 that she owes Katie. And she's paying back $35. And they're asking what percentage is that. So you can set that up and solve that. Then for part B, it says what percent is still owed, right? Well, that's just going to be the complement to whatever this is, right? So that would be your unshaded boxes if we were doing the boxes. And so that's going to just subtract whatever you had from 100, okay, to get part B. In part C, you're just going to say, okay, well, if she had owed $60 and paid back $35, how much does she still owe, right? And then part D, we're going to set up another chart. So in part D, if Jackie pays Katie another $10 towards her new debt, what percent of her new debt is paid off? So again, we're going to have percent and dollars across the top, only now we've got pays, and we're going to have new debt, meaning her new total debt there. So again, now your 100% is now the new total debt. And the new total debt is whatever her debt was left, right? So the $60, she paid $35, so that looks like $25. So now she owes $25 and she's paying $10. And then we're going to find what is that amount of money. Okay, so you can solve for that. And then part E, what percent of her old debt is paid off? So I'm going to look like almost exactly the same as I did in D, only instead of having new debt on the bottom, we're going to have old debt. So I'm still going percent and dollars, and we're going to have pays and her old debt or the original debt. And that's now my 100%. The original debt is the $60, so that's what's going to go there. And now she paid $35 and then paid $10. So they paid a total of $45, and we're going to find out what the percent of that is going to be. And I'll be just using different variables because you're going to get different numbers. All right, and so then you can work from it from there.